Alright, so we have some new weather news that Tropical Storm Rafael has formed. Steering breezes will guide the tropical storm on a northwesterly track that takes it near Jamaica and the Cayman Islands early this week, and then western Cuba at midweek. In this zone, waters are sufficiently warm and disrupted breezes and wind shear will be low. We take a look at the cone. This is most likely going to form into a Category 1 hurricane and hammer the western side of Cuba, passing right over it. So by tomorrow, it should become a Category 1 hurricane, pass over the western side of Cuba, and continue some sort of pathway, possibly up into New Orleans and between Houston there. It shouldn't become anything more than a Category 1 hurricane after it passes over Cuba. We will be keeping a very, very close eye on this, as it does appear it will return back to a tropical storm and then hammer up into the lower center of the United States. The storm does have a possibility to go right up the side of Florida, depending on which way in the cone it takes, if it wants to hug closer to Florida or blow over near Texas. The storm is expected to make landfall Wednesday morning as a Category 1 or a possible Category 2. That is in western Cuba. Western Jamaica will also be getting hit by the beginning of this storm in the next day or so. But for the United States, the highest probability of landfall is along the central Louisiana coast. However, since steering breezes may change a bit late this week and this weekend due to the approach of a non-tropical storm from the south central US, there is a wide window as to where landfall will occur. We take a look at disturbance 1. This is blowing up the side of Cuba as well, the eastern side, southern side of Cuba, and only has a 20% chance to form into a cyclone. We will be keeping an eye on that as well. And the remnants of Tropical Storm Patty have more or less ended. That storm is not an issue at all